Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet channel. My name is Ellen and today you will be seeing this on Tuesday, January 27th, 2026. I'm actually filming this later in the evening on Monday because I know tomorrow will be crazy. But welcome to my channel, and Octavia is still hanging out. And I have just a quick update on a project that I started and a new project. So let's get this party started. So my study of reality blanket, when you saw this was, I think I was somewhere on this section. I think I had just broken off to the white, and I've gotten a few more rounds. You know, it's squared off, and I'm just loving the way the color is working out. I'm just picking it out as I go along, and yeah, I'm just really liking the colors. So this is Big Twist yarn, and the colors are camel, taupe, mustard, ivory, and wine. So it's the Joanne Big Twist, which I think Hirschner's now calls it Bestitched. So the Hirschner's line is the Big Twist yarn, and they also have Big Twist, the original Big Twist. So, and I believe Hirschner's was having free shipping. I'm not sure when it ends, maybe the first week in February. In any case, if you cannot get these colors in the Big Twist, you may be able to get it in the Hirschner's dupe, which is Bestitched. So it's wine, camel, taupe, cream or ivory this is, and mustard. But yeah, I just love the way this is working out. Curious to see how the rest of the pattern works up, but I just love Mikey's blanket patterns. So that's how far I got on that, because I started a new project. And do you want to see what it is? So if you watched my lacy chevron cardigan that I was making last week, the week before, with the Bago Day Silky Yak DK yarn and the color Seaweed, I wound up frogging that project because I did not care for the way it was working out. But I didn't want the yarn to languish. You know, once I take a hank of yarn and put it in a cake, I like to use it. Sometimes the yarn gets stretched, and you know, when I started this with this color, I was thinking chevron, and so in my mind, this yarn needed to be a chevron, and it's going to be a chevron. So this is a pattern that I've done before. It's Crystal Bago Day's Chalina shawl, and I actually did this in a green color, and it was a Hirschner's mill end, and it came out looking like a sunflower, and I actually gifted it to my Advent partner for last year. So I think I did it, I want to say April or May of last year, when Crystal first put the pattern out. So I'm going to do the seaweed, this and this Chalina shawl. I just love this pattern. It's so pretty, and you know, I just feel that the yarn told me this is what it needed to be, and I think it's going to be beautiful. And so this is a, how many points? It's 1, 2, 3. I think it's an 8-point chevron, or 8 or 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8-point chevron. Am I right? 2, 4, 6, 7. No, it's 10. Count, Ellen. It's 10-point chevron. So it'll be a lovely chevron shape shawl. And I'm just going to keep going until the yarn tells me it's done. But I'm gonna make it very large. So yeah, I just love this color. And you know, the color is seaweed, and I just see seaweed. I just think the pattern is just beautiful, and this yarn is beautiful, and it's an easy shawl. Once you do the setup, it's only a 2-row repeat, and very simple but very beautiful. So that's what's on my hook. Yeah, it doesn't seem like much. However, I did finish my first knitting project, and that will be tomorrow's video. Yes, I completed a knit project, and you must watch tomorrow's video. Yeah, I'm gonna film it, and it's gonna be fun. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm hoping that you're staying safe and that you're keeping warm and that you did not lose power over this past storm, and hopefully the worst of it is over, and it'd be nice to have a little bit of warmth, but stay safe, stay warm, and I will see you tomorrow with my finished knit project. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye now.